Hello everyone, today let's look at Tetris Gems. Tetris Gems is another variant of the game that we're going to be playing that we saw in Tetris. We saw Tetris Mindbender and the original one, and this is Tetris Gems. And now, as you see, okay.
Indulge in a world of refined.
Wow, okay. As you see, this kind of game will show you all these different other games that you can play. I would say that not many are like Tetris in the sense that not many offer the same kind of geometric visualization that it does. Like games like this rarely do. And so, um, if you want to play, I do not know how to use this. But if you want to play a game that can actually kind of help you, at least to a mild degree, with math, I would say Tetris is kind of your one of the few that actually does it. Again, because other games they'll say, "Oh, it's an IQ game, like you can learn math with this," but it rarely does it actually have um, the kind of mental flexibility geometrically that Tetris offers. Okay, so this is really interesting because this is a game that allows you to visualize things in a further way. And so let me show you because these have shapes like this that you're going to be fitting it into. Less easy to visualize because it doesn't have the kind of squares that we used to see in the other games, but it's also really fun because it's bright and it's really um, shifting all the time. Very lovely to play. I am actually not using the console. I'm using my mouse here, but I have heard that a lot of students actually try for international Tetris tournaments, and it's just having a passion like that from a young age, learning that, loving that is absolutely extraordinary, absolutely exemplary, really. And just being able to love something like that is something that a lot of the adults, a lot of the older students that I work with and talk to will be talking about a lot. They're going to be like, "Oh, I don't think I actually like felt a passion in anything. I think I spent my time doing I did the classwork. I did what other people told me to do, but what did I really like? What do I really like?" And that's a question that's going to be um always kind of consistent in you all the while. Yeah, so this is just a game to play as well. I want to talk to you a bit about the tactics here. I mean, the tactics really don't exist, but what you're trying to do is get this gem here. And so if you clear the lines, you're going to get some gems. This game I think is harder than the other games because you have to think about the gems you're getting as well. And just very hard because it just keeps climbing up. Um, yeah, so let's look at some options right here. Yes, absolutely lovely, right? So satisfying as well. Um, so we'll have some of this, some of that, some of, okay, we'll hold that. We'll have some of this, some of this. It's really important to clear things like straight away because you don't have the luxury here to have things like getting higher and higher, but that's kind of what I'm doing. So maybe I can't speak here. Okay. Oh, so we have another gem here. Really important that we get that quickly. Ooh, that's lovely. I think this game is harder to think because again we don't have the squares and so we're kind of guessing the shape a lot of the time. Just intuitively a bit harder. And I don't recommend playing with the mouse because it shows you like what kind of shapes it will have. And so you're not as thinking as much, you're not being as flexible with your mind as you could be. I'm doing it because there is kind of an error with my mouse key right now. And so, yeah, but this game is really fun. You have a 1 minute time limit, obviously. And so it's just how far you can get with all these different games. This is really similar to Tetris Mindbender, but also more colorful, a lot more visually appealing, some of my favorites to play. And I would definitely recommend playing this in your play time, in your free time. Like other than if unless you're actually wait, let me put it this way. So if you're spending time, a lot of your time playing other video games that involve like gunfighting, for example, swords, instead of that, why not try Tetris? That's kind of what I wanted to read. And there's also a bunch of different articles about this, and a bunch of different information that is available. And I would definitely recommend this to you guys. Yeah, it's just something you can spend time with doing. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you are a high school student, if you are a college student welcoming these kind of opportunities, please join us in our opportunities. Please place it, talk to us in the comment section down below, and we'll reach out to you if you put your Gmail address in there so that we can create more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and have an amazing day. Bye.